Hello and welcome back. It's me, Sean Thedeepseaman, and today we are going to talk about yet another video on dual fuel engines, especially the MEGI engines. So this one is about the position transmitter, displacement sensor, what you would call, that's installed on your PVU, that actually measures the stroke of the PVU and tells it to the software that the PVU is functioning well. This is basically two components. This one is your position transmitter. This is an inductive single coil displacement transducer, unlike your LVDT, which has two coils. This measurement is contactless both mechanically as well as electronically. This is used to measure the linear displacement. This sensor is used on pneumatic or hydraulic cylinders, but in our case here, this is installed on our hot end, the hydraulic side. So this will measure the position of the hydraulic piston, relay it back to the system. And remember, this component can't work alone. It requires to be connected to this amplifier. And also, most important, these are installed in the gas side, in the explosive side. So they are EX components. Because of that, remember, they have Zener barriers that help this. Please read about Zener barriers and how do they work. This is just not a very simple component. It's an amplifier. It's a signal conditioner. It's got microcontrollers, filters, and also Zeners, thus making it intrinsically safe and efficient. The special feature of this particular amplifier is that it also measures the temperature of this coil. So there's no temperature drift. Our readings are stable no matter what the operating temperature is within the given range. This amplifier has about 12 connections. You can see the numbers all marked here: 1 to 4, 5 to 8, and 9 to 12. So 1 to 4 is the DC supply that's there, and that goes to the MPCs. 5 to 8 is the intrinsically safe outputs, that is after the Zeners. And 9 to 12 that you see right here, these 9 to 12 are just to loop or to sync any other amplifiers you may have or you may not have. Here is your 100% button and this is your 0% button, and you have a blue LED. When the blue LED flashes, when it's connected in the system, that means you need to calibrate the PVU. You need to calibrate all of these guys. Something very, very important. Thanks for staying in and staying tuned. So this part hanging out here, this is called as mechanical drag because of the weight of the cable, because of the bending of the cable. Remember, you need at least 3 to 4 centimeters from the end to keep straight. So maybe if you don't have something, you put a cable tie so that it's straight. There's no stress at this end. If there's stress at this end, inside the wires could just snap and damage the sensor totally, or maybe give you even wrong readings. So we probably you should install a small steel piece and cable tie it so that your wire is straight. Remember this term, mechanical drag. This will damage the sensor. And this is the amplifier. And those are the 3 amplifiers for each PVU installed in the cabinet. $7,500, boys. $7,500. Handle them with care. Please do not damage these components. Along with the sensor, there will be a set of documents which are very, very important. The most important of them all is the calibration certificate for this sensor. Please store it, and once you install it, keep it, scan it and save it along with the work order that you would report in your plant maintenance system. Then there are a lot of other documents that you read: the basic operation of the sensor, the basic functioning of the sensor, and a lot of other important diagrams and documents. So please don't just chuck out the documents that come with a lot of spare parts. They have a lot of important information. A lot of the information that I'm sharing you, I've read it from here and sharing it to you guys. That's it for now. Take care. Bye-bye. Stay safe. Don't screw up your sensor. $7,500, and you just don't get them right away. You need to wait 3 months, sometimes even 4. So take care. Bye-bye and stay safe.